former President Duterte board the plane.
Ma'am, I think that from the very beginning, the DOJ's advice was sought on every step of the way.
Yes, sir.
We get the clearance to serve the warrant
Yes, sir.
of arrest.
I am asking them because they are on the ground. For the record, hindi ka nagbigay ng order kay General Marvel na isakay siya sa aeroplano? Hindi. For the record.
For the record, I am not the authority to order the arrest, to order the
Just
boarding of the plane.
categorically, did you or did you not give the order to General Marvel?
No.
No. So, General Marvel, are you lying?
Sir, I'm not lying, but sir, I just want to have the executive privilege po regarding this matter. So,
Ay, nandito na tayo eh. Executive privilege ka dyan.
Bakit naging executive privilege?
Kanina sinabi mo, PCTC ang nagbigay ng order. Ngayon, executive privilege ka.
Sino-sino na tinuro mo?
That's why we
Biglang
didn't want to
executive
attend the last
privilege.
hearing because this is what we were expecting, ma'am. We didn't want to be bullied.
No,
Into a position.
we're not bullying you, sir.
Nobody's bullying.
We're not
I
bullying
think
you,
that
sir. We're not bullying you, sir.
you're trying to make people admit something that they will not admit. And
No,
executive
we're
privilege
trying
is a
to
valid
derive
excuse
information.
not to answer any question.
Secretary
President Duterte is already at the Hague. We are asking kung sino nagpadala doon sa kanya.
Sino na
Yun ang
order?
tanong
We're
natin.
trying to understand every step of
As I
the
said
procedure.
earlier, everything was cleared by the DOJ.
We are not bullying you, sir. Ha? We want the truth.
That's why if we
So,
try to make a person admit something that should not be admitted, it means that there is something more to it, which is the clearance given by the DOJ was probably the most important part of it, to serve the warrant of arrest and to surrender the person under the law.